This question is very unique in itself. In numerator, you have an equation and in denominator, a number. Always start with the equation first. So 36 division 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. To solve this equation, we'll use the famous order of operation rule known as PEMDAS, where you solve for parentheses first. In this case, you have two parentheses, so solve each of them individually. 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4. Now a common mistake I've seen everyone doing is multiply this 3 and 4, then divide it by 36 and they write 3 in numerator and denominator they take this 10 and give their answer as 0.3. And that's the mistake everyone should avoid. Because here, when you have multiplied 3 and 4, you have neglected the PEMDAS rule. Because although multiplication comes before division, but they both have same priority. And if both are given, solve the equation from left to right. For simplification, write this as 36 division 3 multiply 4. 36 division 3, 12 multiplied by 4. So the numerator value is 48, and when you divide it with the denominator, 48 division 10 becomes 4.8.